In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure length in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll feel confident taking a quick, accurate length measurement right inside your PDF without leaving Bluebeam Revu. First, have your PDF open in Bluebeam Revu. If you're already looking at the page you want to measure, you're ready to go. If not, open the file you need and navigate to the specific sheet or detail where the measurement lives. It often helps to zoom in, so your start and end points are easy to see. Next, head to the Measurements panel. This is the central place where Bluebeam lists your measurement tools and displays the results as you work. If you don't see it, look for the panel icons along the edge of the interface or open it from the panel's menu. Once it's visible, keep it open so you can watch the values update in real time. Inside the Measurements panel, choose the Length tool. You'll recognize it by the straight line icon. The Length tool is ideal when you need a single straight measurement. Think the width of a doorway, the span of a wall segment, or the edge of a slab. If you're measuring a single segment, this is the fastest and cleanest choice. Now, move to your PDF and click once at the exact point where you want to start measuring. Take your time here, zoom in for precision, and let the cursor settle over the endpoint you intend to use. Many drawings include snap cues or clean line work that make it easier to anchor your click precisely. After your first click, move the cursor toward your endpoint. You'll see a preview line stretch with your movement, along with a live readout of the length. When you reach your endpoint, click again to finish the measurement. Keep your hand steady and take advantage of zoom and pan to place the second click accurately. If you miss, don't worry, undo and try again. As soon as you complete that second click, the final length value appears in the Measurements panel. You'll typically see the number displayed in the document's current units, along with any relevant details. The result may also show next to the line on the page, which makes it easy to read later. If the number seems unusually large or small, it can be a sign that the drawing scale needs verification before you rely on the result. That's it. Open your PDF, go to the Measurements panel, pick the Length tool, click a start point, click an end point, and read your value in the panel. With a little practice, you'll measure lengths quickly and confidently in Bluebeam.